Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, and we are back from Corvettes at Carlisle. And Tony and I kind of decided we wanted to give you the experience as if you were on the trip with us. So we've put together a montage of a bunch of the footage that Tony was able to get, starting when we were arriving at the airport, our flights, landing in Harrisburg, the fairgrounds were before anybody was there, the unloading of the trailer, the setup, the teardown, all kinds of interesting stuff. This has been requested by several people before we went to the show, so for those of you who asked for it, here it is. I hope you enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for continuing to support our channel by liking and subscribing to our videos. We're at just about 82,000 subscribers now. So again, if you haven't subscribed yet, or you don't know how to subscribe, we do have a little bit of an instructional video on that you can watch on our channel. We're trying to get to 100,000 views before Christmas, and only you guys can get us there. Please, please. Thank you.
Hello viewers, this is Tony. It is currently 4 a.m. and we are getting ready to go to Carlisle.
Well, guys, we've arrived. We actually came in about 40 minutes earlier than anticipated, which I don't think I've ever been early on a flight, but it was great. Super smooth sailing, easy through Atlanta, and we're here. A little cool, a little rainy. We're heading to the fairgrounds here very shortly. We'll see you real soon.
We just got the trailer loaded on Sunday morning. Steve and Chris are getting ready to hit the road. We're getting ready to go to the airport, but I wanted to show you one of the things I've always loved about coming to Carlisle for all these many years. Once we cleared everything out, if you look at the ground here, you can see the path that has been worn by all the people that came to visit us. Tony's standing on the green grass where the Grand Sport was. So the only sign that we were here and that we had all of that great interaction are the footprints and the worn path. I always look at that before we leave. Always lets me know how many people came to see us. And if you did come to see us, I really appreciate it. We'll see you when we get home.
I want to thank everybody who took the time to stop by our tent. By our closest estimate, Steve, Tony, and Chris and I spent time with or talked with somewhere between 25 and 2,800 people in our little tent. And it was exhausting, but it was so much fun because it's so nice to get face-to-face time with you guys who support us, you guys who help build our business. And this is one of the few times I get to just shake people's hands, hear their stories about their cars, maybe help with some advice, and just really get to enjoy being with you all. So I can't thank you enough for a great experience. And well, until then, we'll see you in Corvette Carlisle 2026. But man, we got a lot to do before then. So let's get to work.